In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write user stories in Jira. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to streamline their project management process using this powerful tool. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create compelling and effective user stories that meet the needs of your users. To get started, head over to the Jira project where you want to write your user stories. If you're already managing a project, simply open it up. Once you're on the correct project page, look towards the top of your screen for a button labeled Create. Clicking on this will prompt you to select a work type. Here, you need to choose Story from the list of options available, as we're focusing on user stories today. Now, it's time to enter the summary for your user story. This summary will serve as the title of your work item, so make sure it's both descriptive and concise. Think of it as the headline that grabs attention and provides a quick glimpse into what your story is about. Next, you'll want to write your user story using a standard template that focuses on user value. A widely used format is, as a type of user, I want to perform an action so that I can achieve a goal. This template will help ensure that your stories remain user-centric, focusing on the needs and goals of your end users. Don't forget to include clear acceptance criteria as well. Acceptance criteria are important because they define what needs to be true for the story to be considered complete. Make sure these criteria are specific and testable to ensure clarity. When crafting your user stories, try to keep them small and negotiable. This approach will make them more manageable and flexible as your project evolves. Utilize tools like user personas and feedback to inform your story writing process. This will help ensure that the stories you're creating are not only valuable, but also aligned with the user's expectations and needs. Now, it's time to fill in the additional details for your user story. Enter a description that elaborates on the summary and captures any pertinent information. Don't forget to include other crucial details like status, priority, assignee, and any relevant tags or labels that could help in organizing your work items efficiently. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and click Create. Once done, your user story has been successfully added to the project. It's that simple. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to write user stories in Jira. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting stories that drive value and result in successful project outcomes. Thanks for watching, and happy story writing.